In this video, I will walk you through everything you need to know about the Gumitide Gummies. When comparing this supplement to other vitamins in the health and household category, the first thing that stands out is the accessibility and pricing. You are looking at a one-time purchase price of $19.95, which breaks down to about 33 cents per gummy. However, when we look at the trade-offs between buying once and subscribing, the value shifts significantly. The subscription model drops the price to $16.96, or just 28 cents per count. If you are a heavy user, the standout feature here is the potential to unlock 20% savings by bundling 5 or more products, bringing each bottle down to $15.96. This makes it a very competitive option for those focused on blended vitamin and mineral supplements. One critical contrast to keep in mind is the return policy. Unlike many household goods, these are non-returnable due to food safety reasons. While the transaction through Ovicia Naturals is secure and ships directly from Amazon, the commitment is final unless the item arrives damaged. This contrast between cost-effective bulk buying and the strict return policy is the main factor in determining if this fits your lifestyle. If you value fast, free delivery, and want a supplement that integrates easily into a monthly routine, this comparison highlights a clear win for the subscription route. Thanks for watching this review. If you found this breakdown helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more supplement comparisons. Let me know in the comments if you prefer gummies or traditional pills for your daily vitamins.